So hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and learning a lot from my tutorials. So today I just want to introduce a new concept where I have built neat and clean font, just like the not exact but similar to the Font Awesome CDN website. Everyone is familiar with that website. So here what our website can do, the website can provides the public CDN. Alright, just like this. So when user or you paste a CDN inside this website, and then he can easily access our icons which are hosted on your server, exactly similar to the Font Awesome functionalities. Okay, where we just get their CDN link, and using their icon classes we can fetch the icon from their library. Here is also the same concept. We will create the CDN of our domain name, and then user has to just copy their required icon from here, just paste here. Okay, sorry, and the copy and just paste anywhere inside the platform. Alright, now let me show you it's working. So this is just a block diagram to introduce yourself with this website. Okay, so first of all we will be just will be hosting all the icons in our website using the post. Okay, and then we will have two things. One is the icon class, and the second we will be creating our CDN link. And when the user copy and paste the in their website, then he has to just copy the class of the particular icon and paste, and he can able to fetch the icons from your website. Okay, so there are no restrictions that we can control the number of fetches from our website to the client side. Okay, so they can fetch as much as possible. All right, so this was the simple introduction to this website. So first of all, let me introduce some features of this website and we'll move towards our tutorial part. Okay, now so I have designed the UI for this website in this way. You will see here some gradient background, the logo, navigation items, a title, the button. Okay, some text over here with the instructions or the short description, and these are our icons library. Okay, and you will see that when I hover, you will see here a class of the icon tag which is I. Okay, and you can easily copy this icon from here. Okay, just copy it and paste, and that's it. You will have this icon on your website or platform. Okay, but for that you need a CDN, a public CDN. So how to use our own CDN on your website? So here is the basic link. First, add the CDN link to your website. Just copy this and then use the logo classes in your HTML. If you know about the Font Awesome website, then it's exactly similar to that. Okay, just copy the CDN link, and you will see here the CDN link is our own domain name. Okay, just like this. When you copy it and paste here, you will see here a JSON format where all the icons are included. Okay, so basically the website generates the dynamic CSS that fetches our icons in all other websites as well. Okay, through this link, or you can say this class name. So when we will start the tutorial, I will just explain you the topics covered while building this website. Okay, then you will understand better. And here the some basic content on this website. The footer you will see here, this nice about us page, contact us page. Okay, so these all are designed using the Elementor. And here when you click on browse, you will see here the extra functions, which is this search bar and this category sidebar. You can just scroll, you can just filter all these icons by the categories. Okay, and this like this, and all these icons are built using the SVG format. Okay, no PNG and no other format, just SVG. You can search from here and you can clear the search. Okay, so this is our website. Now let me show you the live practical where I am going to fetch the icon from our website to others website. I will show this icon in other website. Okay, so this is the different website. Now I will show icon just beside this home text. Okay, I will copy this tag and just visit theme editor, navigate to header, and you will see here there is no CDN link. Okay, this is CDN link. First we will check without the CDN link, and later I will show you the magic of our CDN link. Okay, so here we have just copied and paste this icon. Now let's see the menu. Okay, so this is the home and there is nothing just beside this home text, as we have already placed our icon. Okay, so this is not the correct way. Now let's add our CDN, paste here, update the file. Okay, now let's refresh this page, and you will see here the icon of the home. Okay, no matter the color, it will automatically adopt using the dynamic CSS. Okay, and you will see here the icon is now showing after adding our CDN. Okay, and from here you can add the CSS class, style equals to margin right. Okay, so I will use 5px. Now save it and refresh this. So there is a space in between the icon and the text. Okay, so in this way, so I hope you understand the functionality. Let's just jump to the dashboard and we'll start our tutorial from the scratch. Okay, alright, so I am inside the dashboard of WordPress, and here I have installed a fresh WordPress on my server. Now the very first is to just install the required themes and plugins. Okay, so we need very few plugins for this website. So let's install the theme. So goes to appearance for the theme. So the theme must be a basic theme. Okay, not niche based or anything. Just use Astra, Ocean WP or Cadence. So I am here, I'll be using here these Astra theme. Okay, so click on install. I will activate it. Okay, so our theme is activated. Now next, let's install the plugins one by one. So under the plugin, click on add, and here first search for Elementor, install it. Alright, so I will not activate this plugin right now, I will do it later. So install the another plugin, which is advanced custom field ACF. The next plugin is not mandatory, but if you like to design your website in an engaging way, so I am going to use here. Just type elementor. Either you can use these widgets or plugins. Okay, so currently just left this plan. I will activate the plugins right now. So alright, so click on activate, and also I will install the one more plugin which is Pro Elements. So I will upload that plugin. Add plugin. You can use Elementor Pro as well. Okay, so here upload, click on activate. Alright, now let's create some pages. So the very first is to a home page, and here the template will be Elementor full width. Okay, the next page will be browse page. Sorry, and again the next page is about us. Then contact us. Alright, so let's move forward. The very first we next just create the menu. Go to menu. So first let's create the main menu. You can check this or just left those things. Create the menu. So in the very first we have to show home page, a browse page. Okay, click on save menu. Alright, now let's take the preview. So here is our home page. So what we need to do next, we need to just modify this home page. Okay, we have to remove some things from the home page. Okay, so let's customize it. Just set the static home page, and here I'll be just keeping this default header from the theme as it is. Okay, only the thing is that I will just design this footer. So here primary menu, this is main menu. Okay, that's it. Now what to next? Okay, so the next is that we just need to change the background color of the page. Okay, let me show you what the background. So we have this type of background for a website. Okay, so let's add that background. So actually the problem is that we can't directly set the background from this here. Okay, so we need to modify this page using Elementor, and then from there we can easily change the background. Okay, so the first of all let's change the background, then we can set our header. Okay, we have to make this header a transparent one. So let's do that. First visit the pages, open this home page and edit with Elementor. So here this under page settings, go to style and this background, and just upload your background. Okay, alright, so this is the correct one. You can see here the gradient color. Okay, it's not the exact solid, it's similar to the gradient. Click on publish and check the home page. So now it's taking the shape. Okay, so this is home page, this is browse page. Okay, now here you will see the white background just beside this header. So what you can do, so we can do here, we can make it transparent. Okay, here enable on complete website. Now select this and design. From there you can set the color. Sorry, from here select this icon or logo. Alright, so let's upload the logo first. Okay, and here you will see here logo.svg file is not processed. Okay, so what's the solution? There is a one solution. Just search for icon, upload it. Sorry, just click on upload svg, click on enable, and that's it, and then upload. Okay, now just refresh it, go to here, customize, select logo, and this media library we have this logo. Skip cropping. Alright, and you will see a title of this website. So there inline, just uncheck this option, inline logo and site title. Okay, and here just go to design, and there we have to change some color. So here first color is for normal, hover and active. Okay, so we have to set those all colors. So here I will give the active color like this. Again, and you will see here there are the number of palettes. So the first color is the normal. Okay, so the normal color will be white, and our color will be our preferred color. Okay, this, and active color will be our this preferred color, which is the brand color. Okay, click on publish. Now let's check our website, and here you will see there is also the title just below this logo, so we don't want that title there. Let's remove it. Here just delete the text, and also delete this site title. Alright, and let's check the responsiveness. sorry, not here, here, and it will open the menu in this way, okay, which is good and fine. And from here we will be change the background color only, okay. So let's change it. This is the canvas menu, okay. So go to design and let's change the background color. This for the menu color, okay. So we have to okay, we just need to change the background color for this container. So first go and here the normal color, okay. And hover color, I will just decrease the opacity a little bit, and active color will be same, and also the active color for the background is same. Here I will keep the text color white for the active background, okay. Alright, now let's change the color for this toggle button, okay. When you click on it, you will see some options like this or this. So I will keep the middle one, and toggle button style also you can see, okay. Go to design and change the color. I will keep it the brand color. Click on publish. Alright, so within a few minutes our header is ready, even it's responsive, okay. That's it. Now just reload this page. Let's finish up our footer area. Alright, so simply I will go to the theme builder and I will design this footer from here. Click on footer and add new. Just close this window, and so okay, we just will drop this plan from designing the footer from the using the elementor. We will simply use our basic themes footer. Let's design. It's very simple. Go to customize and you will see here the navigate to footer. Just bring back to desktop, okay. And here we have some widgets and layouts, okay. So basically we need first one, and we need here 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. So set it to 4 columns, and also you can set the container sizes, like this has the same containers, this has the bigger in the first and these are the bigger in the last, okay. So we need, I think we will be using this second one, because in the first one we have the logo and the long text. So let's design it. In the first one, select the widget one, okay, and inside widget the first will be logo. There will not be a logo widget. Okay, so simply I will use image. From media library, select this one. Okay, first of all, let's make it or give some color to it. Go to design and background color. You can set to some solid color or just make it transparent. Okay, so I will use this type of color over here. Also, let's add some padding. Alright, just below add some text, which is paragraph, and I will copy this text from the previous website and paste here. So it's in very dark color. Let's make it bright. Go to design and okay, so this will not change from here. We need to navigate to global colors. Okay, and this is the text. Make it to white. And click on publish. Alright, it's not completely designed. Alright, so next let's move further. Go to footer. Now let's add the next widget. Click on plus, and this is widget 2. In the widget 2 we have home browser, some docs. Okay, so I will simply use here the primary menu, which is main menu. Here navigation menu, and go to colors, and here is the brand color. I think it should be white. Alright, and hover color, this is the alternate brand color. Okay, let's paste our brand color. Copy your hex code and paste. Alright, I think it's by mistake and gone that menu. Okay, so it's perfect. Next we have about us, contact us, and browse. So we haven't created the menu for the footer. Let's create it. Go to menu and create a new menu, which is the footer footer third. You can give the name whatever you want. Let's click on publish and refresh this page. Select this and again select this. Okay, second widget. So next we have to add third widget, which is the same widget, that is menu, navigation menu. Okay, which is footer 3. Okay, I just forget to add the items inside it. So first we have about us contact design browse, about contact and browse. Okay, click on save menu. Here also save and reload. So here we have our menu items. Next we have this privacy policy and terms of service, some legal pages also. Let's create another menu. We will name it as footer 4, and for now I will give the custom links. You can add the real page in this section, privacy policy and terms of service. Alright, click on save menu and below this page go to footer and widget third. Not third, we have to add the fourth and last widget, which is footer 4. Okay, sorry, here, not here, here. Alright, and this is the copyright section. So what I will do here, you can change the year, domain name, etc. from here. Text color is already white. Let's make it, let's remove this background color. This is border color. Now this text is completely visible. So click on publish. You can just give the color to this copyright section like above. Okay, or also you can remove from here. Now go to and refresh the page and you will have this type of footer section. Alright, and if you inspect, so it will be automatic responsive, so no need to additional work because we just modified the template, directly theme. And there is no need to use any builder, just like the elementor. Okay, only we need that elementor to design the home page. So basically it's completely responsive from header to footer. You can check, this is header and this is footer. Okay, because we just modify our and you can say customize the theme's default widget areas. Okay, didn't use the any folder. So we just complete our header and footer area and also background. Okay, so till here I hope you understand the process and the steps. Okay, so in the next part we will be start designing to our home page. Okay, so next let's start designing our home page. Okay, so let's navigate to pages, and here we have created our home page. Now open and edit with Elementor. Alright, so here let's add a container, and make sure remember that the container that you will place over here will overlap with this header, because we have set the header as a transparent. Okay, so please take care of that. So to resolve this issue, we will simply either you can add a padding or margin. Okay, so I will add here padding from top 150. okay, and from bottom I will add to 50. That's it. Add a container, and the width of this container will be the same as default to 1140. okay, you can extend this width as well, so I will make it 1200. okay, so the very first let's add this type of heading. Search for heading, it will be at the center. Okay, to make it more stylish, go to typography. I will make it to bold, also set it to rem and 2, and increase the size of the text. Alright, so I will copy this text from here. I have written here the logos. I will simply write here the icon, because we are dealing with the icons only, okay, not the logos. And you will see here this gradient, so it's a code actually. Okay, let me show you how to add this gradient effect. Here, the first of all, set the class name as head1. okay, or whatever the class name you have to put, but I will write it as head1. And under this custom css, we need to put a css actually, okay, in this way. And from here you have to do one thing, just replace your color, okay, with this RGB. First convert hex color to RGB here, okay, and it's done. Just replace the hex color to RGB and it's done. So I already done this process previous, so need to repeat this here. Okay, the next we have this text. Search for the again I will add the heading, and this just copy this text, make it center, and his h4, and change its color to white. Okay, also let's reduce the margin from top. The next we have to add this button, so it has some hover effect like this. First search for button, make it at center, and I will write there what is browse all icons. Okay, and go to style, here border radius to make it 100, and here we have the border type which is solid, and one px width. Border color would be the theme white, and here text color will be same, just background color, reduce the transparency, or you can remove the transparency of color. Okay, and here border color will be our brand color. Also text color, if you want to put text color, so I will set it as a brand color. Okay, now let's add the hover. So switch this tab to hover. Text color will be white, and this background color will be the brand color, or this. Okay, so this white color is not visible actually on this brand color, so we'll replace it with another color. Here brand color text hover. Okay, now it looks perfect. So next we have these three sections. Okay, so these are basically the icon boxes. So I will first add the grid. Here row will be 1, and also the width of the control will be something like this. Before that, alright, so the button is actually put it outside this container. Let's make it inside, and this grid as well. Okay, set this container, main container, make it center. Alright, also add some margin from top on this grid. Now again add a container, place here, add some padding to like 10. Okay, again search for widget icon box. Don't want this icon. Let's copy it first. And this industry logos. Now let's style these things. First, is it on the center? Okay, it's the center. Content color to brand color, and this description color to white. And let's increase the size of this text. First remove this, make it transparent, or you can just keep your brand color. Okay, for the hover effect as well. Now let's increase the size to, I will set it to rem. Okay, 2.2 is perfect. Increase the font weight as well. Okay, it's perfect. Now just select this container and just duplicate it. I will reduce the width of this grid. Okay, in the second we have 99% uptime. In the third we have 50 million requests per month. Request per month. Okay, it's still so far from each other. Now it's perfect. Click on publish, and let's test our website. Just hard refresh the page. Okay, so it's not changing the color. Why it's happening here? Okay, let's set the color to them. Alright, so we already done the coloring on this text, so why it's not showing, I don't know. I hope it will resolve the issue very soon. Let me try this again. So copy and paste style. Now refresh it. Okay, it's looking perfect now. Whenever that type of error will occur or any CSS will not be applied on any text, so you can change the colors, okay, or you can just copy and paste the hex code and do it again. So next we have this grid. It's a different part. It will come from the backend, okay, inside the functions.php. so I will tell you where to put the code files and you done. Okay, so first let's design the other sections. Copy this text, I think this text is little bit small than this short text, so let's make it bigger. Okay, this is perfect. I will change it to industry icon CDNs. Duplicate it. Okay, don't just duplicate this section, and here why choose logo. I will put here icon hub as a demo. Also I will add some margin. Instead of margin, just search for spacer and add in between. Okay, so keep here 50. One can increase to 70. Okay, nice. So let's copy this text. To wrap this text, so go to advanced, custom. Here I will set to px. Okay, now it's in the 2 lines. Just remove these things. Alright, so we have to show these 6 grid of boxes, okay, along with the icon, title and some content. So it's very easy. Let's design it. So I will search for the grid. Alright, again one more container. Add some padding like 15. Here add padding to 15. Okay, nice. Again we have to add this color, so I will simply copy the color code from here. This style, background and paste here. Go to back border and set it to 15. Okay, and you will see there is a border as well. Select this container, border type is solid to 1. Change color to this brand color. Okay. Okay, you can just change like this. Also you can decrease the opacity. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now this is actually the icon box widget also. It's applicable here. So search for icon box. First of all, set to left. This also, this on top. Icon will be on top, title will be on the bottom, and just below you will see a description. Now let's style these things. Go to style, icon, and put the size to 20 or 25. And we will be just uploading our custom icons instead of this. Okay, typography here. Okay, 23 is fine. Change text color to this white. Next we have content, so change its size. It should be 15 or something. I will put it 15. Okay, change color to, okay, not white, it will be the different than the heading. Okay, this is perfect. This just upload the SVG. First we have this bold icon. It's a very small icon. Let's increase the size. But make sure if using the px value, it should be compatible with the mobile device as well. Okay, because it will not change the size if you are using the px. And we see here its hover effect is actually on. So under hover, select this box content, and here hover, just keep the same color. Okay, so our card is ready. Let's add some padding. Alright, now let's just copy the content. Copy this container and duplicate 5 times. Okay, so here our grid section is ready. Now we have to just update the content and icons as well. Okay, alright, so we have just updated all the icons and our this grid section is ready. Now click on publish and let's take the preview. Okay, so it will look like this. I hope this weird thing will not be happen in your case. Okay, so if this happen, just change the text colors. Okay, from your end. I don't know which type of error is this, but it's not the serious one. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, which is this: how to use our CDN on your website. So in the same way, just duplicate it. Also duplicate this spacer and just put this down in between this section. Okay, the text is how to use CDN on your website. Text is quite bigger. The text is quite bigger. Let's reduce its width or size. Alright, now it's perfect. Copy this text and paste here. Okay, so here let's add two grid. Okay, I will set it to one row. First delete this containers and here as well. Here will be only one row and two columns like this. Just remove this widget and here add this text. I mean to say heading. Okay, this HTML text and let's reduce the margin from top. Now we have to search for the way which is code highlight. This widget provides the capability to copy the code and paste anywhere. Okay, but why it's showing like this? Okay, from here theme will be solid, but I will use dark. Let me check which theme I have used here. Okay, it's tomorrow. You can copy from here. Just duplicate it. The next is use logo classes in your HTML. This is also HTML. Here let's put the code. The code is, sorry, this is the CDN link, and here the icon class name, just like font awesome. Alright, it might be the mismatch with the original UI with this one. Okay, so just forget it. Only the process is very important rather than design. Click on publish and let's take the preview. Okay, so now our website is slowly taking the actual shape. Okay, here you can copy. The next part is this newsletter. So again, just duplicate this section, copy this text just add this separator. I will keep this text as low as possible, just 2.5. So there is a form, it's an elementor custom default form. First delete this grid and other things, search for form. Here is the form. Now we need only email, so I will delete other things. Now under this field, here just uncheck the center. Okay, keep this email column with 200% and we'll change this button. Change border radius to 100. Just select this container, make it center. Okay, now it's squeezed this width, so you go to advanced, custom, select the px and now increase the width. Go to style and content here under the buttons, no button, under the form fields, just uncheck this label and also button. I will keep it 50%. Make it 100% under the style, buttons, this position to center. Now type here subscribe under the button. Now let's style this widget. Go to style, under field, border width to 1, border radius to 100. Background color, border color will be this, our brand color. And the button color, go to buttons, background color will be brand color, text color will be our brand text color. Sorry, here text color. Under hover will be same. Okay, so our newsletter form is also ready. Click on publish and let's take the preview. All right, so our home page is almost ready. Now what we have to do next is just we have to set this grid, okay, this icon grid. For this we need to only just copy and paste the code inside a functions.php, and we will get two shortcuts, one for search and the second is for to show grid. Okay, three shortcuts only actually. Okay, so you will get the three shortcuts, one for this grid. Okay, and I will show you where to put the code and you will understand. Okay, so let's do that. So here we just finished designing a home page. Okay, now there are several pages like about us and contact us and browse page. Okay, so from there the browse page is important. Okay, and then these two pages are not so much important, so I will do one thing. I will just import their template from the elementor as it is. Okay, so it's a very easy process. If you want to design from the scratch, you can follow this homepage design. Okay, although it's very easiest way or the easiest part design. Okay, so right now I will show you the coding behind this. This CDN. Okay, these icons where you will see a copy functionalities, the class within this I tag. Okay, and this CDN. Okay, where user can easily put this CDN on their website and they can fetch our icons which already have posted in this website. And also I will show you it will create this type of custom post type, which is icons type. Okay, and from there you can post your icons like this. Here you will see add new icon option, and I already added most of the icons in this previous website. Okay, currently I am inside to my hosting. Okay, it's actually the Sophie host, okay, which provides nice hosting plans. You can check it out. So there go to visit your file manager and visit your website domain directory. Okay, currently I am in the previous website. Okay, and then I have this functions.php code. So what we have to do here, first you will see here step 1, which is custom post template. This function will register a custom post type. You can see the elements. Okay, and also the taxonomies, which is categories, so that you can easily upload the logo as a post and set their category. So you can filter out there according to the category names and for other reasons. Okay, and there I have just included most of the grid shortcuts to show CSS, inline CSS. Okay, inside this PHP, and you can also make this separate files if you are good in the development. Okay, and everything is been inside it. Everything is included in this function.php. So what I will do here, I will simply copy this code from here. Let me copy this first. Okay, copy. Now go to the your file manager C panel and locate your domain. So currently I am adding this domain. Locate the function.php, which is inside content, inside themes, and under your theme which you are currently activated, there you will see functions.php. Just edit and paste that code just below it. Okay, that's it. You can save these changes. The next is we need to create a dynamic CSS of this link, which is the CDN. Where is CDN? Let me. Okay, this is CDN. Okay, so it will just create a CDN and will generate the JSON output. Okay, where you will see all of the icons that we have posted. Let me show you. Just copy it, paste, sorry, not this, remove this and this. You will see there are all the icons in the JSON format, and this icon will be served as a dynamic across any other websites, okay, whenever they will put our CDN link in their website. Alright, now we have to create this file, which is icons.css.php inside the root directory. So just get out of it and here create new file, which is icons.css.php. Create new file, open that file, and I will simply copy and paste. Click on save changes. Now we are almost done the things. Now there are some shortcuts that we want to show the grid on the home page. These are for the icon search bar and icon categories filter, which will be used inside the browse, and the other shortcuts are icon grid. Okay, you can extend it to the show the number of posts. Okay, you can enable these other options as well. So I will first use this one, and you have made no changes to save, it means I have already saved this. Make sure everything has been saved. Now go to your home page. This is our home page which we have created. I will duplicate this. Okay, remove these things. We will put our grid over here. Okay, now search for the shortcode and paste here. Currently it's showing that no icons found, no post with the post type icon exists, all icons post are in draft, or something is missing. It means that our website don't have the post as icons. Okay, so currently we had just copied the functions, and all the working is and all the functions are now working in our website, so that's why it's showing this message. Now the very first, to just refresh it, and you will see here the icons post type from here. Okay, so it has been successfully registered. Now let me show you how to add icon, okay, and how you can create those icons using the AI. So let's do that. First go to this icons, click on add new icon. But here is one problem. We need to create some fields using the SEF. Okay, so which is the very important part for this dynamic CDN website. Okay, now go to SEF, go to field groups, and there create a add field group, and there you have to just create the fields like the icon name, icon SVG, and icon file. Icon name is a text, icon SVG is the code of the SVG icon from here. Okay, and next we will have the icon actual file. So let's create these two files, three field names. The first one is icon name, which is take. Please focus on this test because it's a very crucial process. If you miss something over here, then it will not work. Second is icon SVG and icon file. which is this is going to be a text area, and the next field is icon file. The file type is file. Okay, keep these settings as it is, and it will be a post type will be icon. Okay, now click on save changes. Let's give its name as a icon details. Alright, now our icon fields are ready. Now refresh this, and if this is some extra field inside this post. Now let's create an icon. So the first icon will be let me first upload some icons from here. Click on upload. Alright, it's showing some errors. It will not going to be uploaded from here. We have to take some other ways. Click here and upload SVG. Once it gets uploaded, you can easily put the icon anywhere. Just close this and here. So first I will simply first let me show you how to set these all the fields. Okay, so first of all just create the text file where you will have the icons code. Okay, so this is an SVG code which is where this icon has been created. Okay, or designed. This is a SVG code. Now what you have to do is copy this SVG code and here under this icon SVG paste. Okay, next we have to go with the icon name. So the icon name will be like this. Suppose we are going to import this hamburger icon. Okay, so the name will be, here you can set any title. I'm going to use this as hamburger, and here put icon dash hamburger. Okay, so you have to add always the icon and a dash and give the icon name. Okay, so after setting these things, you have to upload the actual icon file in the SVG. Okay, the file is also ready. Now what you do next, just set the category for this icon pack. So I will use as user interface. Alright, click on add new, and that's it. The category has been assigned to this icon. Now no need to set this featured image, just publish it. Okay, this I will just publish this. Now refresh this page. Here the icon is ready. Okay, now you can copy this icon and paste anywhere. You can copy this. Instead of icon CDN, you can put your own link from here. Okay, alright, so in this way you can create and just post in your website as a icon. So just like the font awesome, where we put their CDN link and paste in website, and all the icons gets in our website as we want. Okay, in the same way. So this is the process to add the icon in your website. Okay, let me show you one more icon. Let me show you how to add the icon in one more time. Okay, so under these icons, click on add new. The very first, give a name, anything you can give, like I will give it as a home. Okay, but before adding this icon name over here, just place icon just write icon dash and home. Okay, so that's it. This is very important. Okay, and next you have to provide the icon svg code. So here I have just designed some icons in svg. Find their code. So this is home, this is svg, and paste here. Next you have to upload hard-coded file, this. Okay, and set the category, and that's it. Let's publish. Alright, so these are your icons. Now it's actually stacking one above the other, or one below the other, because we have a set here. This says center. Okay, we have just align items to center. Just uncheck this. Now check it. Now it will arrange in a proper way. Alright, so in this way you can increase the icon library on your website by adding simple posts. Okay, and you can create your own website like the CDN. Alright, so after this now we will be creating our browse page. Okay, where we will be showing we'll be creating this type of browse icons, where you can filter out using this sidebar. Okay, where you can show the categories. By the way, the categories will be generated automatic in this sidebar. Okay, so no need to add additionally over here. And this is the search box where you can search the icons. That's it. So let's design this browse page. So let's start designing our browse page. So it's very simple. We already created a page as a browse page. Here we have given a name as a browse. Okay, so click on edit with elementor. Alright, so first of all let's change the background of the page under these settings. Okay, style, and here this position center, repeat no, and display size cover, make it center top. Okay, and here also so here I will copy the container from this. Okay, we already adjusted the padding from the top, so it will be easy for us. I will copy these text browse icons and paste here. Before that, let's remove the unwanted parts from here. Okay, Also remove this and this as well. Text will be browse icons, and below we have to show this search bar. On the left you will have these categories, and on the right we will have this icon grid. So for this we need to create two columns. Okay, add here. I will remove this. Under this direction make row horizontal and just duplicate it. Here I will set it to 30. Okay, so the first is to search icon placeholder. Okay, so this search will be on the top under this browse icons. Okay, search for shortcode and paste. Now we got our search icon. You can extend or increase the width by doing the here custom, make it px. Okay, like this. Next we have to show here grid. The shortcut will be same as we have put over here. Okay, I will duplicate this and we place inside it. Okay, and here. So currently I haven't uploaded the maximum number of posts on this website. Okay, so that's why it's showing too. But whenever you will add the post with different categories, so they all those will be shown in this sidebar when we will add a shortcut inside it. Okay, let me show you. This is the icon categories shortcut filter. Here I will duplicate and will paste this, move this on this sidebar. Okay, in the first we will show all the icons, in the second we will have the actual icon names, sorry, category names. Okay, here can adjust the margins from top. That's it. Click on publish and let's check. Okay, so it will filter, so this will filter the icons using these categories. Also type search, also type home, so it will filter out the icons with these same keywords. Okay, let me show you by adding the one more icon over here with different category. So let's add more icons. Okay, so here I will use technology and devices. Okay, let's upload first, and I already explain you the method to upload the SVG icons. So here click on upload SVG. Okay, yeah. Just close it, and now here give a name as a headphone. So this title is not so much important, this. Okay, just place icon dash and headphone, and here we have to put the SVG code of that icon. Okay, here and we have to upload the real, sorry, we already uploaded. Just select the real headphone icon. Okay, now our post is ready. Let's add another category, which is which category is this? It's technology and devices. Add new, and this category has been assigned to this icon. So click on publish. Alright, now let's refresh this, and you will see one more category which is technology and devices. Okay, and in this way, whenever you will create the new categories, it will automatically show on this sidebar or anywhere where you want to show. But make sure this design is built only for the sidebar. Okay, it's because it's in a vertical layout. Okay, to change this layout you need to go to the backend and then change the layout and structure. Okay, by modifying the CSS or HTML code. That's it. So this was the explanation on this page. You need to add more icons to reflect or to fill this browse page completely. Okay, alright, so now go to home, and the basic the most practical thing was these functionalities we are using the CDN. You can fetch, or users can fetch the icons from your website completely. Okay, and when we check here, let me show you the CDN. Just copy this. Whatever the post you have uploaded as an icon, it will show in the JSON format. I already explained you in the previous at the start of this tutorial. Okay, so here, so here is the one more issue. The issue is that your domain name. So currently my domain, I already set this icon CDN on this subdomain. Okay, where it starts from this, and subdomain name is icon CDN. But what if your website or domain is different name, and how you can access or create this type of CDN? Okay, so it's very simple. We have to update some code snippets. So there is one universal solution for this problem. Whatever the domain you have, either it be the main domain or the subdomain, so we have to just update some URLs or the functions. Okay, let me explain you. So first you need to search for custom rewrite icon CDN. Okay, so search here and here this, and replace this with this code snippet. Paste. Okay, and you will see here there is a method which is where it will access direct root URL. Okay, icons.css. Similar way, update this function. Copy the complete code and paste till end. Okay, here also using this dynamic URL which is home URL. Click on publish, save changes. After doing this, you have to just flush the permalink. Okay, here go to permalinks and don't change anything over here, just save changes. Okay, and that's it. Now reload this So here currently the domain name is icon CDN. Let's test this if it work or not. So here icon CDN, but our domain is icon. So when I remove this, now let's check. Oh sorry, I just cut down this H from here. And you can see that we have just uploaded the 3 icons, and it's showing the 3 icons in the JSON format. Okay, this hamburger, this home, and this headphone. So whatever the icon you will upload, this JSON will be updated automatically. Okay, with using this dynamic CDN link generation, using this dynamic CDN code. So isn't it easy? I will put this code snippet in the description, okay, in the block format, so you can easily copy and paste about it into your domain. Okay, I will explain everything in that block. Alright, so this is our CDN website. Okay, so currently we just implemented the home page and this browse page. In the similar way, I will provide you the complete website files of the WordPress. You can download and just upload on your server. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial and understand the process that we have done here. Okay, and I think this is going to be a very nice and unique concept for most of the developers of the WordPress. Okay, so they can use this to create this type of website where we can serve a lot of icons from our website to others. Okay, this means that user can also get these icons like font awesome. So this was for today's tutorial. In the next video I will get back with the another interesting tutorial. Till then, goodbye, take care.